Hey there, little chefs! Welcome back to Live Nourish Today! Today we're going to learn about something super important, how to stay safe and healthy when we're cooking and eating. It's all about food safety and hygiene, so let's get started. First things first, what is food safety? Food safety means making sure the food we eat is clean and safe so we don't get sick. When food isn't handled the right way, it can have bad germs called bacteria that can make us feel yucky. But don't worry, I'm going to teach you some easy ways to keep food safe. Rule number 1, food safety is to always wash your hands before you touch any food. Your hands pick up dirt and germs from everywhere you go, and we don't want that on our food, do we? Wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Remember to wash in between your fingers and under your nails too. Next up is washing fruits and vegetables. Even though they look clean, they have dirt or germs from the farm. Give them a good rinse under running water before you eat them. Some fruits and veggies you might even need a brush. Another important rule is to keep different foods separate. Raw meat, fish, and eggs can have harmful bacteria that we don't want on our fruits, veggies, or cooked foods. Use different cutting boards and knives for each kind of food to keep them safe. Cooking foods at the right temperature kills the bad bacteria. Make sure foods like chicken, meat, and fish are cooked all the way through before eating. If you're not sure, ask an adult to help check if it's cooked enough. Finally, don't forget about storing food the right way. Leftovers should go in the fridge within 2 hours so they stay fresh and safe. And always check the labels on food packages to see if they need to be kept cold. Cross-contamination happens when germs from one food spread to another. Remember to keep your kitchen clean by wiping down surfaces and washing your utensils. This way, we stop germs from spreading and keep our food safe. So let's recap. Always wash your hands, clean your food, keep different foods separate, cook foods properly, store food safely, and avoid cross-contamination. Now, who's ready for some trivia? Let's see how much you remember. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more. What is the first thing you should do before touching food? Wash your hands. True or false? You should always wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. That's true! You should always wash fruits and veggies before eating them. What can raw meat have that we don't want on our fruits and veggies? Harmful bacteria! Great job! Keep up the good work! What should you use to check if your food is cooked properly? A food thermometer. How soon should leftovers go into the fridge? Within 2 hours. What do you call it when germs from one food spread to another? Cross-contamination. Did you get that one? Comment below. Why is it important to keep different foods separate? To prevent harmful bacteria from spreading. True or false? You can use the same cutting board for meat and vegetables. That's false. You should use different cutting boards for meat and vegetables. Where should you store food that needs to stay cold? In the fridge. Keep up the good work and don't forget to keep track of your score. What do you need to wash besides your hands before cooking? Your utensils and cutting boards. True or false? It's okay to eat meat that is pink inside. That's false. What should you do after handling raw meat? After handling raw meat, you should wash your hands and utensils. What happens if you leave food out of the fridge for too long? It can spoil and grow harmful bacteria. True or false? You should always check food labels for storage instructions. That is true. What should you do if you spill something on the kitchen counter? You should clean it up right away to avoid cross-contamination. Why is it important to keep your kitchen clean? To prevent the spread of germs. What kind of foods need to be cooked to a safe temperature? Chicken, meat, and fish. True or false? You can eat the leftovers that have been in the fridge for a week. That's false. Great job, everyone! Now you know all about food safety and hygiene. Remember these tips every time you cook or eat, and you'll stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our tasty tips. See you next time!